Hello guys, kama kawa, kama mzuka, Chef Julius na kwa Benga, jina kubwa, jina bigi, jina so. We are at the Panari Hotel and the Panari Environs, along Mombasa. We want to do some beef here. We want to do beef that is called the pineapple beef. So I'm going to show you how I'll do that, my pineapple beef. I've added the cornstarch and the garlic paste on my beef. Then the egg yolks. Then you deep fry. In a pan with little oil, we'll add onions, some garlic, then peppers, then you add the beef, you add the pineapples, you add some honey, ketchup, tomato ketchup, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, dissolved cornstarch, and some vinegar. Then the coriander. So guys, this is our meal. This is our beef cooked with pineapples. It's a sharp sauce. Hey, I just say slapping. Nipate matokeo nini? Comment zenu, chef ulishirabu. See you guys.